Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking rice cooker glutinous rice with Chinese sausage and mushroom. So let's start cooking. Now we'll cook our dish. I'm using my Gourmet multi-cooker, which has pressure cooking function, open lid cooking, rice cooking function, etc. Now if you do not have a multi-cooker like this, you can always use your rice cooker because I'll be just using the open lid cooking as well as the rice cooking function. But I'll strongly recommend you to have something like this because it really saves a lot of space and can do a lot of wonderful dishes. Take off the lid, turn it on, switch it to open lid cooking. We'll heat this up for a while before we add in our oil. Once the pot has heated up, we add in a little bit of oil. Not too much, just a little bit will be fine. I have with me over here 30 grams of dried shrimp, which I've rehydrated in 1 cup of water for approximately 20 minutes. 6 pieces of dried mushroom, which I've rehydrated also and cut into small pieces like this. 80 grams of Chinese sausage. Remember to remove the casing and cut them into small pieces like this. To remove the casing, just soak it in hot water for approximately a minute or so. Now that the pot has heated up, we'll add in our mushroom first. Just stir them up a little bit. Now we'll add in our dried shrimp. We'll fry this until they are fragrant before we add in our Chinese sausage. Now for our Muslim viewers, of course, you can replace the Chinese pork sausages with chicken sausage. This is a very simple dish to put together. Most of the time when my friends wanted to pay us a visit, this is something that I would do because it's so easy, so simple. Once we can smell the beautiful aroma, we'll add in our Chinese sausages. Fry them for a while because you want to extract the oil from the Chinese sausage. Just fry them around for a minute or two. Remember to keep stirring them because we don't want to burn them. Wow, smelling so good. I just love anything with dried shrimp. They always smell so fantastic. Right, once you can see the Chinese sausages glimmering with a little bit of oil, it's time to add in our glutinous rice. I'm adding in 310 grams of glutinous rice, which I've soaked for about 2 hours or so. 310 grams is actually 2 cups, and the 2 cups are actually the cups that come with your rice cooker. Mix them up well. We'll add in our flavoring now. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add in also 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I'm using the premium dark soy sauce, so it's not too salty, but it gives you a very nice flavor as well as color. A few dashes of grounded white pepper. Mix them up well. Make sure you mix them up well together. After you've mixed them up well, we will add in water. 310 milliliters of water. Ratio 1 to 1, this is how I want my rice to be. If you want a firmer texture, reduce the water. A softer one will be to increase the water. So just now I used 2 cups of rice, so I'm using the same cup to measure my water. 2 cups of water too. Right? Push everything down. Now we'll turn it off first because we are done with the cooking. Put the lid on. Lock it up. Turn on the multi-cooker again. And switch to rice cooking function. And we'll let the multi-cooker does its magic. I'll see you back in a while. The glutinous rice is done. Let's have a look. Remember to release the steam first if any, just to be on the safe side. Once the steam has all been let out, we can open this up and have a look. Oh, this is really very, very fragrant. I love this. All right, time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh. Fragrance is really good. I love the texture. It's a little bit chewy. The fragrance from the dried shrimp, the Chinese mushroom, the Chinese sausage. This is really, absolutely delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.